On this video, I'm going to show you how to build the graph on MyMathLab. Uh, so we will start with a linear equation, and then in next video I will do a quadratic equation. So we have negative 2/3 of x plus 6, and we are going to build using slope and intercept method. So first question is asking what the slope is. So we always have to have in this format y is equal negative 2 over 3x plus 6, and slope in this format is going to be the coefficient of x, which is negative 2 over 3. Okay, so you have to check it before it will allow you to move on. You have to complete first step, then it will open second step for you. Okay, fantastic. Next one, see, it's opening y-intercept. In this format of equation, y-intercept is available term, which is 6. Okay, we are checking. We got that one right also. If it would be here minus 5, let's say negative 2/3 of x minus 5, obviously I would put here minus 5. So keep negative signs, pay attention. We just don't put plus, that's all. Next, we are going to do graph this function. There are two ways. One, you can graph it right here the way it is. See? Or you can use this one, pop out window. All right. Well, which is the same thing here. Click to enlarge the graph. It will show pop up window. Since we know that a linear function is a line, we have to know that because you have here, look how many forms, shapes you have. So you have to know what to choose. Linear, that's why it's a line. And we always start with y-intercept. So taking line. So my y-intercept is positive 6. So that will be my first point. I clicked on it. Then from here, since I have negative 2 over 3, I can use negative either with the numerator, which will be negative 2 over positive 3, or I can use 2 over negative 3. Since I don't feel like going up, I'm going to go down. And since this is my negative, this is my 6, I'm going to use negative with numerator. And I'm counting from this 6, okay? 1, 2, right? I went down by 2, negative 2, which will bring me to 4. And then going horizontally on the level of 4 by positive 3. Where is my 3? Here, see? 1, 2, 3. So clicking on it, 2 points. See, this is 3 here. Horizontally, we are moving by 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 points. 1 point is intercept, and then slope I'm counting from there, from this intercept. And here I have my graph. I save it. By the way, let's say I finished. I click some anywhere you click, it will save it. Now, let's say I figured out I did something wrong. So what do? Click on it. See, these 2 points are popping up again. All right. And accordingly, I'm moving where I have to move. Okay. So let's make sure I have my free. Yes, I do have my free. So this point, you see circle, in the circle, it's activated. I can change it, take and drag around. But the other one, see, is nailed, it's not moving. If I want to move the other one, then I'm clicking on this one. This will activate, and then I'll move this one. Okay, there we go. So let's save it. And now I'm clicking check. All right. Next question. So sometimes, let's say, what if I don't want to go to next question and I want to practice some more, or I didn't do well. It's for every answer. Let's say I have similar question. I put the slope here. Let's say I'm putting wrong intentionally. I put it wrong. It's check first time. Check, again intentionally put wrong. Let's say you do second time wrong, and then 3 times. Third time it's gonna be final check. It will give you answer. It will say I have enough of you. So here is the answer. So at this point, once you do it wrong, you can continue finishing, and then after you are done, you can click here similar. It will pop up the button similar. Or if you want, you can go further and then come back and take it over. Okay? Or click similar at the end. Once you finish to the end, all the way to the end, let's say here also I have it wrong 3 times, it will give me chance final check. Okay, and this one, and I'm doing something wrong, saving, check, it's wrong, so 3 times will offer me. All right, see right away similar question. So you can click similar question, start it over. The other help, what kind of help you can get, click on question help. The best help I find it when you view example. When you view example, look here, you have 1-to-1 identical, not identical, similar. -2 over 5x, -3 over 8, and you click step by step, it will show you how to build. Okay, this is slope, rise over run, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, you are done. Still, by some reason, you are making some mistake and you can't figure out what it is. So in that case, you are clicking on help me solve this. Then it will take your problem, see here, -2 over 5x plus 4, -2 over 5x plus 4, and it will make you go step by step. It will ask you a question, you check it. If it's correct, then it will let you move on. If you answer wrong, let's say, then it will stop and will insist you to take it again. So those are options you can use for the MyMathLab. Those are, I find, the best options. Here you can watch the video, animation, textbook, ask instructor, print. Those are self-explanatory parts, but this is the main the format of help. So this one, y is equal 3 over 7x. So the slope here is going to be, because we have format y is equal 3 over 7x, slope is going to be 3 over 7. We are checking it's correct. All right. Now intercept, I don't have available term, so intercept is going to be here 0. Checking the answer, all is good. Now, how we're building the graph. We know it's going to be line because it's a linear function. So I'm clicking on this line and my y-intercept is 0, right? Click 0. And then I have go from 0, positive 3 up, rise over run, right? 1, 2, 3. I am on 3, see? This is 3. And then going based on 3, I'm going all the way to 7. Here we got 7. Click on it. I can click anywhere here to fix the graph. Save it. And well done job. Okie dokie. In the next video, I will show you how to use tools for the nonlinear equation, nonlinear function, and how to use stretch and shifting, vertical shifting, horizontal shifting, and so on. Thank you for watching.